Hello, my name is Dr. Samih Tarabichi. I'm the chairman of ICJR. It's a great pleasure for me and honor to welcome you to the 11th meeting of ICJR in Dubai. This meeting will be held on the 26th of April. We have managed throughout the years to have the best meeting in orthopedic in the Middle East. We're gonna have the best of the best speakers throughout the world. We have hand-on courses for you to participate in. We have a lot of interactive sessions that will enrich the experience of all the surgeons participating in it. This year, we are collaborating with the Asian Arthroplasty Society and the American Hip and Knee Society. Those societies are going to participate actively in our meeting, and they're going to run their own session. This will offer an exceptionally unique opportunity for you to have an experience from Asia and also the United States. Again, this meeting is going to be a promising meeting as usual, and I look forward to welcoming you in Dubai. Thank you.